What are copays on our expatriate medical insurance? Morning, Doug. This is Cho. My wife Sofia and I are heading overseas for the next few years and will be residing in Vietnam. We are looking at all your expatriate medical insurance plans at www.gninsurance.com/health for our international insurance cover for our family. One of our questions, Doug, is we need to understand what copays mean on your expat insurance plans. Great question, Cho. A copay is the portion of a medical service bill that you are responsible for before your insurance is billed. Not all global insurance plans have copay benefits, Cho and Sofia. Sometimes expatriate insurance only has a deductible and coinsurance benefit with no copays. This type of global insurance allows for a lower premium, such as our GMI expatriate insurance. Commonly, a copay will be a nominal fee for service, such as $30 for a primary care visit and $60 for a specialist medical visit. This is just an example of one of our expatriate insurance plans, Cho. Your international insurance plan will specifically list your copays if they have this benefit. Typically, a copay is collected at the time of service. However, it can also be billed later if there are questions about what your global insurance may cover. Cho and Sofia, while you're at your doctor's office visit, their administration will collect payment for your copay in the amount listed on your international medical insurance card. Cho, sometimes you will be responsible to pay the entire cost of this medical service if the international healthcare provider cannot verify your global insurance or does not take direct insurance payment. If you are asked to pay for the entire service, don't worry, Cho and Sofia. There is a simple process for your global insurance provider to reimburse you for the covered expenses. This is called submitting a claim to your insurance. You may submit a claim by following the directions provided in your expatriate medical insurance documentation or by visiting your online insurance portal, which we will discuss a little later. After you visit your medical care provider, you will receive in the mail or on your online insurance portal a document called an explanation of benefits, also called an EOB. This document is not a bill. Your EOB is simply a breakdown of what your international insurance company has paid and what portion of the bill is your responsibility, if any. Cho, with today's technology, your online insurance portal will be the best way to retrieve your EOB. When you purchase your international medical insurance plan, you will receive registration information to get on your online insurance portal. Your insurance portal, Cho and Sofia, is the best place for you to find plan-specific information as well as the best place to get in touch directly with your global insurance carrier. You may log into your portal by visiting the website of your international insurance carrier and following the instructions provided with your plan documentation. Cho, once inside your insurance portal, you will have access to your EOBs and plan documentation. You may use their self-service features to do things like submit claims and even renew your global insurance policy. Cho and Sofia, to submit a claim, you will need the itemized receipt you received from your U.S. or international healthcare provider. You will simply fill out the claim form provided within your portal online and take a picture or scan your receipt in order to be reimbursed for your covered medical expenses. Your international insurance company, Cho and Sofia, will review your medical claim and issue payment usually within 30 to 90 days of your claim. International insurance companies are provided more time to handle claims due to different global processes. If you do have copays on your global insurance policy, Cho, your insurance portal will also include documentation of where you may use this benefit. When considering your copay, you may also have questions about your deductible, Cho and Sofia. A deductible is an amount of money you may pay out of your pocket for in a single year while on your international medical insurance plan before your global insurance company starts paying on your medical care. International insurance does not work like U.S. domestic. Affordable Care Act, also called ACA, medical insurance, Cho. Typically, your copay will not contribute toward your maximum out-of-pocket expenses. This means the money you pay as your copay does not accrue like the other service costs to meet your out-of-pocket maximum amount. Cho and Sofia, some of our Expat medical insurance plans have an option to choose a zero deductible, which means you are not responsible for any of your health insurance costs outside the U.S. Some of our international plans have a higher deductible option that even go up to $25,000. Most of our clients, since our founding in 1997, usually choose the $1,000 or $2,500 deductible limit for their global insurance plan, Cho and Sofia. It is important to understand how your specific expatriate insurance plan structures international copays and deductibles, Cho and Sofia. Your online insurance portal is a great source for this, and for sure, Cho and Sofia, your team at GNI here in Arizona is always here as your international insurance resource. We understand insurance terminology can be confusing. We hope this video has helped you learn more about your copays with international health insurance plans. Good Neighbor Insurance here in Gilbert, Arizona is dedicated to helping you understand and use your global insurance benefits to their highest potential so you can stay protected through all of your international adventures. Learn about the benefits of your current plan or get a quote for a new benefit-rich international insurance plan at gninsurance.com. Change is always in the air. Check out our global health insurance options on our webpage at www.gninsurance.com/health for the most up-to-date information on your expat medical insurance. Or call us at 480-813-9100 or email us at info@gninsurance.com. Your GNI team here in Gilbert, Arizona wishes you all safe and awe-inspiring expatriate travels, Cho and Sofia.